guys, welcome to another video. In this video I'm gonna be showing you how you can download apps and games for free on your PC or your laptop. So let's just get into it. I'm gonna be using the Google Chrome. You can use whatever browser you got. So I'm gonna open the Google Chrome and I'm gonna go to the website. It's called Major Gigs. So I'm gonna go to the website and this is it. I'm gonna click on it and this is the official website for Major Gigs. So it's very simple. Just go to this website, and the coolest part of this is you can download apps and games from this website on your Android phone also, not just your PC, your laptop. So as you can see right here, Android, and you can choose from the categories what kind of apps you want to download or game you want to download. As you can see right here, games, you can click on it if you want to download a game. So you can just search for the category and you're gonna have to search, and as you can see, different kind of games you can download on your PC. This site is safe. You can download apps and stuff like that for free on these websites, and you can scroll to multimedia. You can download audio tools. Just basically anything from this website, guys. As you can see, different kind of audio tools you can download from this website. Let's check out appearance. So this is very simple, guys. So you can download anything from this website. As you can see, screensavers, just basically anything. You can also go to the Android category if you're using your phone, your mobile phone, and you want to get a free app or game on your Android or your PC for free and you don't want to pay. You can just go to this website, Major Gigs, and download wherever you want to download. As you can see right here, games. As you can see right here, these are games you can download on your Android phone. As you can see, Need for Speed, No Limits for Android. As you can see right here, just basically download anything from this website. It's very simple. So thanks for watching, guys. Please like my video and subscribe to my channel, and also drop a comment and tell me your experience when you download anything from these websites. It's very safe. You don't have to get worried. So thank you. Subscribe and share my videos, and please click on the notification button, and thank you.